has not been short of any controversies. There have been multiple controversies across party lines that's coming to the fore, and adding to the ongoing list of political controversies, former Union Minister and also one of the top leaders, Salman Khurshid's niece, has now triggered a fresh controversy during a public address in Farrukhabad while campaigning for the Samajwadi Party. Taking a dig at the Bharatiya Janata Party, Samajwadi Party leader Maria Alam Khan has urged the people to intelligently come together and conduct a vote jihad. Let's listen in.
बहुत अकलमंदी के साथ, बहुत जज्बाती ना होके, बहुत खामोशी के साथ एक साथ होके वोटों का जिहाद करो, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ वोटों का जिहाद कर सकते हैं और इस संघी सरकार को भगाने का काम कर सकते हैं.
Now, reacting to this, the BJP spokesperson Rakesh Tripathi has also bashed the remarks and said that both the Samajwadi Party and the Congress are bamboozled. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता सलमान खुर्शीद के परिजन आज वोट जिहाद की बात कर रहे हैं. मुसलमानों के हुक्का पानी बंद करने की बात कर रहे हैं जो भाजपा के पक्ष में जाएंगे. यह पूरी तरह से ध्रुवीकरण है. आज कांग्रेस पार्टी और समाजवादी पार्टी बौखलाहट में है. वो जान रही है कि बड़ी संख्या में आज सभी समाज के लोग, सभी वर्गों के लोग मोदी जी के साथ खड़े हैं, तो इस बौखलाहट में आज वोट जिहाद की बात कर रहे हैं. निर्वाचन आयोग को इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए और ऐसे लोगों को चुनाव में पराजित करके सही मायने में मजा चखाना चाहिए जो समाज को हर तरह से बांटने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं. कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ते कि कैसे सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव को बिगाड़ा जा सके.
Well, this is of course becoming a major controversy, the fact that a leader is talking about vote jihad, and on the other hand, the Congress has now distanced itself from this particular controversy and said that the party doesn't support such statement.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस समय जो जनता की नाराजगी है उससे डरी हुई है और इसी वजह से वो इस तरीके के र्यूमर फैला रही है. जनता ये समझ चुकी है कि बीजेपी 400 सीटें इसलिए मांग रही है कि वो आरक्षण समाप्त कर सके, लोगों के अधिकार समाप्त कर सके और संविधान को बदल सके. जनता इस समय कांग्रेस पार्टी के न्याय पत्र पर वोट दे रही है. अखिलेश यादव जी की सभा में जो लोग भी कोई वक्तव्य दे रहे हैं तो किसी को भी गलत वक्तव्य देने पर कांग्रेस पार्टी उसका समर्थन नहीं करती है.
My colleague Adib joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Adib, of course, love jihad has been one such term which has triggered a lot of controversy this election season. But we are now getting a new term that has been coined by Maria Alam Khan. This is vote jihad that she's talking about. Help us understand the context of what she said and also what are the reactions that are coming in from across political lines.
Well, Ashish, Maria Alam Khan, who's the niece of veteran Congress leader Salman Khurshid, was campaigning in Farrukhabad in favor of the Samajwadi Party candidate Nawal Shakir when she termed that we have to be silent and we have to work very intelligently for the vote jihad. This is what the term Maria Alam Khan was using and she was instructing people who were there and when she was campaigning in the favor of Nawal Shakir. She was saying that very silently and very intelligently we have to work on the lines of vote jihad. This is only what we can do and we have to work for vote jihad. However, BJP has condemned this word and they are saying that Samajwadi Party, whether it be Samajwadi Party or Congress, they have all been using these phrases and they are inciting violence among the people. We saw how BJP is reacting. Meanwhile, on the Congress and Samajwadi Party, both are distancing themselves from this statement. The Congress Party is saying that BJP is trying to propagate things in a bad narrative. Meanwhile, Congress is saying that jihad is a Urdu word, and if Maria Alam Khan has said something about this, it is of her opinion, not of the party's opinion. But Samajwadi Party is also saying that there is nothing in calling the jihad term.
Absolutely, Adib. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there. Absolutely, this is one of those political controversy that continues to escalate. And of course, we'll keep coming back to you for more reactions on that. But shifting track now in yet